Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how Whatnot works. Whatnot is a live stream shopping platform where sellers host live shows and buyers can join in real time to buy, bid, and interact. It's a mix of eBay plus Twitch, making shopping more fun and interactive. For buyers, you can watch sellers stream live while showing off products. Items can be sold either at a set price or through auctions where you place your bids. Also, buyers can chat, ask questions, and interact with sellers and other buyers. And once you win or buy something, payment is processed automatically through your linked payment method. And for sellers start live streams to showcase their products. Products can be preloaded into the seller's store with options for instant purchase or live auction. Also, sellers can set certain bids, auction times, and even features like sudden death, which is the last bidder wins without the time extension. Once a sale is made, Whatnot generates a shipping label for sellers to pack and send items easily. Basically, buyers get fun, real-time shopping, and sellers get an audience and tools to move products fast. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.